Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raphael Arowoshafe. In this video, we shall continue with where we stopped in the first video, which is the database aspect of ICT Igcse Specimen Paper 2 for 2023. Now I am going to start with step 23. I've done step 22 in the first video. Using field from both tables, produce a tabular report that selects only those records where country code is NZ or AU. So before I start, I think I need to identify which one is query or which one is report. So this is query. I'll call this one query 1. I'll call this one query 2. So this is report. This is another report. So now I'll be doing it one after the other. So I will start with this query 1. Shows only the field yard name, builder name, type, length, price, builder, country. So let's do that right away. So this is the database. So what I am going to do now, I will just go to create. Then I will go to query wizard. Simple query wizard. I will click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will be selecting the field one after the other: yard name, builder name, type, length, followed by price. Then I will use what is it called, build country. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. But if you look at this one, this country code is not among the selected field, so that we need to select it so that we won't have unnecessary error by the time we are creating the query. So let's do that right away. So I will select this one. I'll go and get it from another. I'll go and get it from under this. Okay, let me see. Let me put all this one back. Let me put them back because I must not select it from the query. So I must not select all this field from the query table. So let me start again. Yard name followed by builder name, followed by type, length, price, build country, then country code. So please, the reason why I'm reselecting it, because the first one I selected, I got it from the query table, which is the first query table. So that is it may give us error. So please don't select from the query table that you have created first when you are creating the second query. So please take note of that. So now we now have 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So next. So I will call this one query 2. Call this one query 2. Then I will click on this so you can see it now. This is the query. Now let's go to query 2 here. Now country code is NZ or AU. So let's do that right away. I will come to home, view, design view, country code. This is country code under criteria. So asterisk, that's asterisk, NZ asterisk or then asterisk AU, then asterisk. So let me see whether it's correct. NZ AU, so it's correct. Now let's run it so you can see it now. You can see it now. So now the next thing is Builder name include the test yard. Builder name include the test yard. So let's do that right away. Builder name, where is builder name? So this is builder name. I will use speech mark, asterisk, yard, then asterisk, then speech mark. I think it's correct. Yard, yes, it's correct. Now let's go and run it. Good. So this is it. This is it. Now let's continue. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Now let's go and create the query now. I mean the report right away, because we have created the query. Now I will just click on this one to ask me whether I should save. I'll say yes. Now query create. Then I will now go to report. Report wizard. Report wizard. Report wizard. Please don't forget, you are getting all the field from the query that you have just created, which is query 2. Pick everything. Next. Please don't group. This is the grouped one. You can see the different. Then this one is not grouped according to the question. Next. Next. Please don't sort here. We will sort later. So please let me just put it here as later. Later. So take note of that. So the next thing we are going to do now, let's quickly next. Then the land orientation is portrait. It's portrait. So let's do that right away. It's portrait is already there. Next. Then let me name it. Let me name it. So this is it. Copy. Then I will paste, then finish. So this is the query. I mean, this is the report. Now the next thing we are going to do now is this. I'll close this. I will now go to layout so that I will adjust it. I will select this. Then this one is fine. This one too is also fine. This one is okay. Let me adjust this one. This one, it was not visible before. I think it's fine. This one, let me adjust it a bit. Yes, it's fine. So the next thing we are going to do now, calculate the average length in this selection and position this number below the length column. So let's do that right away. You can do it here. You can also do it in the design view. I mean design, what is it called? This is what I'm trying to say. Go back to your, where is it? This is the report. You can do it here. Just come to this place, length, then you apply the formula. But I prefer doing it from the layout. So I'll just select. I'll select. So I've selected it. Then I will now go to report layout, where I will see total here. Just click on it. You will see average. So you can see it now, average. So now let's go and do what they asked us to do here. I've done this one. Display this average length value to 1 decimal place. So let's do that. 1 decimal place. I'll go to property sheet. So it's already in 1 decimal place, but it's not reflecting. So if it is not reflecting here, what you will do, you just go to format here, then click on this, then go and click on standard. So you can see it now, it's showing. Please take note of that in case if your own is not displaying according to what they've specified in the question. Just go to format, then standard. So I've done this one. I've done this. So this one now, I will just increase the font size of the heading. I will just increase the font size of the heading. I'll come here, I will come to home, then I can change it to maybe 29, then I put it on center. I can drag it a bit. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm done with this one. As your name, center number and candidate number at the top or bottom of the report. Before I do that, let me come back to the sorting. Sort the data into ascending order of price. So let me do that right away. Ascending order of price. Let me do that right away. So I will come here, then price. Sort the data into descending order of price. So let's do that right away. Order of price. Let's do that right away. Price. I will select price here. Descending is from largest to the smallest. Largest to the smallest. Largest to the smallest. Largest to the smallest. So it's fine. It's fine. So I've done the sorting. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm done with the sorting. As your name, center number and candidate number at the top or bottom of the report. Top or bottom of the report. I will pick bottom. But you can put it at top, whichever one that you prefer, but I prefer bottom because they specify either top or bottom. So I will quickly do that. So what I will do now, just go to view, then I will go to design view. I will come to label. I'll click on label. This is my label. Then I will come here. I will come and drop it here. Drop, hold and drag. Then I will now type my name here. Candidate number 0001. It's fine. So now let's go and preview it. So this is the print preview. Good. You can see it's showing at the bottom of the report. So I'm done with this one. Save and print your report. So I will just click on save. Then I will click on print to send it to printer. So that is what we are going to submit. Now let's continue. So the last step now, which is step 24, export the report created at step 23 in portable document format, which is PDF. Save the exported file in your work area. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the exported file saved in your work area. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So let's do that right away. It's very simple. So I can close this. I can as well close this. Now I will click on the report. I will right click on the report, export, then PDF. Then I will now trace my work area. Please don't assume. I will just come back to desktop. Then I will look for my work area. Then I will save or publish. Click close. Then I will now go back to my work area according to the question. According to the question, said I should place in your evidence document the screenshot to show the evidence that I have exported it and saved it in my work area. This is my work area. So this is the file. So I'll just come here. I'll take the screenshot. Copy. Go to the evidence document, then I'll paste. So that is the evidence that I have saved the file. Then I'll click on save. So this is the end of this database aspect of ICT Igcse Specimen Paper 2 for 2023. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you have learned a lot of things from this video. Thank you so much.